Looking for top-notch window installation in Rockford, Illinois? Our Rockford Windows and Doors services offer a wide range of options, including energy-efficient windows, custom windows, and vinyl windows. Whether you need double-hung windows, bay windows, or casement windows, our team is ready to provide the best solutions for your home. Door replacement in Rockford has never been easier with our expert team. We specialize in entry doors, patio doors, and storm doors, ensuring that your home is both secure and stylish. Our Rockford door replacement experts are skilled in installing fiberglass doors and French doors, providing you with a variety of options to suit your needs. Energy-efficient windows in Rockford are a must for any homeowner looking to reduce energy costs. Our insulated windows and window sealing services in Rockford ensure that your home remains comfortable year-round. With custom window solutions in Rockford, you can choose the perfect style and design to match your home's aesthetic. For those in need of window replacement in Rockford IL, our Rockford Windows and Doors team offers comprehensive services to address any issues you may have. From window maintenance in Rockford to window upgrades in Rockford, Illinois, we ensure that your windows are in top condition. Our window consultation in Rockford provides expert advice to help you make informed decisions. Door replacement in Rockford, Illinois is essential for maintaining the safety and functionality of your home. Our door maintenance Rockford IL services include door sealing Rockford, Illinois, and door upgrades Rockford IL, ensuring that your doors are both efficient and durable. Our door consultation Rockford IL offers personalized recommendations for your specific needs. Sliding door services Rockford are perfect for those looking to enhance their home's accessibility and style. Our patio door installation Rockford and French door installation Rockford provide seamless transitions between indoor and outdoor spaces. With our expertise, you can enjoy the beauty and functionality of sliding doors in your home. Vinyl windows Rockford, Illinois are a popular choice for homeowners seeking durability and low maintenance. Our team offers a variety of vinyl window options to suit your preferences. Whether you're interested in bay window installation, Rockford, or casement windows Rockford IL, we have the expertise to deliver exceptional results. Storm door services Rockford are crucial for protecting your home from harsh weather conditions. Our team provides reliable storm door installation and maintenance to ensure your home remains safe and secure. With our Rockford door replacement experts, you can trust that your storm doors will withstand the elements. Entry door specialists Rockford are here to enhance your home's curb appeal and security. Our range of entry doors includes fiberglass doors Rockford, Illinois, offering both style and strength. With our door consultation Rockford IL, you can choose the perfect entry door to complement your home's design. Window sealing services Rockford are essential for improving your home's energy efficiency. Our Rockford Windows and Doors team provides thorough window sealing to prevent drafts and reduce energy costs. With our energy-efficient windows in Rockford, you can enjoy a comfortable home environment while saving on utility bills.